for object detection. So in the previous session I explained about Yolo V8 also and Yolo V5. Today we have to see about something about Yolo V7. What is the meaning of real-time object detection and why we need the Yolo V7 and how it support for developing the real-time application. That means the role of Yolo V7 including the application and so on. Here, so before going to that is Yolo have the definition of you only look once. So it's one of the advanced model and object detection method available today for usage. So before going that, you have now the meaning of real-time object detection, and generally YOLO useful for the field of computer vision and with the combination A and etc. So in computer vision, we can define real-time object detection is one of the tasks that is and also a key component and requirement in the computer vision systems. And today a number of applications follows the YOLO V7 concept. Let's say example of we can say about video analytics, robotics, autonomous vehicles, multi-object tracking, even medical image and so on also. So if you want to get more idea about YOLO V7, we know the YOLO V7 generally developed in the year of 2022 and so on. There is no proper architecture given and the object detector. So here now about the meaning of object detector also. What you can say about object detector is an object detection algorithm that always helpful to perform image recognition task by taking image as well as the input, and also helpful to predicting the bounding boxes and class probability for what purpose means for each object image. Let's say if I have image, there will be three objects. These three objects are bound boxed. That means every object will be surrounded by the bounding boxes, and there will be a class probability. For example, 0.27, 0.87, and so on. It will be possible with the help of YOLO V7 here. So this is the example scenario in the airport. That is the when the image developed with the help of YOLO V7 coding. So it's saying concept of aeroplane and car, van, and so on with the probability, class probability value, truck 0.75 and so on. So even real-time videos also we can apply the YOLO V7. And what is the new or upcoming thing with YOLO V7 means, because YOLO V7 supports and provides improved real-time object detection, accuracy also, and without disturbing the inference cost, increase the inference cost. Moreover, since we are comparing with the YOLO V7, any small object detection, everything possible with help of YOLO V7 when you are compared to the other object detector mechanism also. And moreover, what we can do with YOLO 7, once you go with the YOLO V7, work with the custom data set, definitely you can reduce the parameters, that is 40% of parameters and also 50% of the computations state of the real time also. And generally, why for YOLO V7 compared to YOLO V5, YOLO V7 supports, that means provides a fast and strong network architecture and also provides a effective future integration method and also more accurate object detection performance possible. And also it comes with a especially key features like robust loss function and an increased label assignment and model training process efficiency also. The upcoming session I go for example in the Go lab where we can work with the YOLO V7 for getting and understanding far better way. And as a result, once for YOLO, as a output, YOLO V7 needs several times cheaper computing hardware and then compared with the other deep learning models successfully. Moreover, what we can do with YOLO V7, we can train the YOLO V7 with a custom dataset. It may be a small dataset, means very good. That means we can train and make faster and also train the dataset, small datasets without any pre-trained weights also. I hope that you understand the video what is meant by what is YOLO V7, why is so important, what are the applications of YOLO V7 and key features of V7 and so on. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.